हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो? सब ठीक है ना? सो इन अमाइंस टॉपिक वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अमाइन. In that method which we are using for the preparation of that amine, that method is Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. So in that, firstly we start with the who has firstly introduced this method, what is the material we have to use and in the beginning or as a reactant, and what will be the reaction mechanism. All that part we are going to discuss in this synthesis. So let's start with this reaction. So in this, firstly I will tell you that Gabriel, this is the name of the scientist, or we can say that the chemist who has firstly introduced that reaction, that is the Gabriel. So in that next point, what is the starting material? That starting material we are using, that is the thalamide. Means in this reaction there is a preparation of the amine by using the thalamide. So what is the structure of thalamide? Structure of thalamide is, this is the structure of the thalamide. Here we can write like that. See, carbon, double bond oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, double bond oxygen, nitrogen. So this is the structure of the thalamide. Next, which is important point, listen carefully. This is the method by which only primary aliphatic amines can be prepared. What is the point? Only primary aliphatic amines can be prepared by this method. So these are the some points which we are going to discuss. Prepared by this method. So now we are going to discuss how we can prepare that amine, mainly primary amine, by using that thalamide. So let's start with the reaction. So in that, firstly now see here. For that one, when, listen carefully these words, after that one we will start with the reaction. So when thalamide is treated with, ethanolic KOH or NaOH, after that it forms potassium salt of thalamide, which on heating, after that what we are going to do, just we are taking that potassium salt of thalamide and we are heating it. That heating is with, so that thalamide which is heated with alkyl halide, it is heated with the alkyl halide and gives after heating, what we will get? We will get that N-alkyl thalamide. It will give N-alkyl thalamide. Next, another one step is there. So here we can say that there are the total 3 steps are included in this reaction. So first step, thalamide we are treating with the ethanolic KOH. It forms potassium salt of the thalamide. Next one is that after this compound we are heating it with the alkyl halide. Because of heating we will get the another one material, that is the N-alkyl thalamide. So here we have completed 2 steps, and last step is that which on alkaline hydrolysis forms primary amine. So here we can say that our reaction part is completed. So we will write its mechanism as well as general reaction also. Now, so from that statement we can write reaction. C. Thalamide. Firstly we are drawing here structure of the thalamide. And after that we will follow the steps. First step. What is that first step? We are treating it with the ethanolic KOH. Second step, we are heating it with the alkyl halide, that is shown by the RX. And third step, there is a alkaline hydrolysis, so aqueous NaOH we are using here. And finally we are getting the primary amine. So we will write here that primary amine. Now see here structure. We are getting here primary amine. Along with that primary amine we are getting the salt also. So this is the another one product. Hope so everyone understood that what is the exact that Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. In that we have completed that starting part. Now we are going to discuss the mechanism and another one important question, because in this way we are getting only aliphatic primary amines. Why we are not getting that aromatic primary amines, that also we will discuss here. So exactly what is the mechanism? See here, mechanism, each and every step it is very important. Now see here, firstly thalamide. So I am drawing here thalamide. Now see, whatever that hydrogen is attached to that nitrogen, it is acidic one. Okay, next one, it is we are treating with the ethanolic KOH, ethanolic KOH. As we know that in that KOH, I will write here that KOH because it is easy to show that charge, that's why. So this is the acidic hydrogen and here OH minus is there and potassium plus is there. So that OH minus will take that proton, and what will happen, that 2 electrons which are involved in that bond formation, it is given to the nitrogen. So what will happen, nitrogen will carry negative charge, means anion formation will takes place. Now see here, so here C double bond O nitrogen, C double bond O nitrogen. Now here what will be there, negative charge will be there, and there is a removal of water molecule will there, OH minus H plus, that's why, and here K plus. So this is the potassium salt of, this is the potassium salt of thalamide. Clear to everyone? Again, what is the second step? Here we have completed first step. Second step is that we are heating it with the alkyl halide. In alkyl halide, as we know that carbon and halogen bond is there. In case of carbon and halogen, halogens are more electronegative, so they will carry partial negative charge and carbon will carry partial positive charge. So anion will attack on that partial positively charged carbon, means alkyl group. So what will be the product? Now see here, here that benzene ring will be as it is C double bond O, and here that R group will be attached. Clear? So here there is a removal of the KX will be there. So here we have completed our second step. Now third step, which is somehow long step is there. So in that what will happen, that aqueous, means we can say that alkaline hydrolysis is there. So in that NaOH, OH carries negative charge, so it will prefer to OH minus will attack on this carbonyl carbon. There are the two possibility, but on both carbon that same reaction will takes place, but for one we are going to follow, and similarly second will be takes place. Now see here, this OH minus will attack on this carbon, then what will happen, this carbon nitrogen bond will be broken. So what will be the product? Now see here, benzene ring to that carbon double bond oxygen is there. Whose attack is there? OH minus attack is there. So that will be attached, and carbon nitrogen, that bond is broken, means there is a no bond between that carbon and nitrogen. Now next point, nitrogen to which R group is attached. Another one is attached group is that carbon which is having the double bond with the oxygen, and here this one. So this will be the product. This nitrogen will carry negative charge. So what will happen, that negative charge means anion will take that proton, and then what will happen, these 2 electrons are given to the oxygen. So next step is that benzene ring again, C double bond O, O minus will be there because these 2 electrons are given to the oxygen. So next one, double bond O, nitrogen, that hydrogen is taken, that's why hydrogen, and here is the R group. So similarly, whatever steps we have followed for the one NaOH, like that another one NaOH molecule will take part, and that will follow all this same reaction. Then what will happen, this bond will be get broken, and finally we will get the product, that is the C double bond O, O minus Na plus, and here C double bond O, O minus Na plus, and along with that this part is removed, means this is out, that is nothing but the RNH2, and this is our main product, that is the primary amine. Hope so everyone understood that. So this is the simple, we can say that reaction with mechanism is there. If there is a question for the 2 marks, theoretical question is there, write a note on or what is the Gabriel thalidomide synthesis. Then in that you have to write only 2 steps. Which are these 2 steps? First one, we have to write the statement. That after that we have to write the general reaction, and last one sentence you have to write, that is the only primary aliphatic amines can be prepared by this method. So in this way you will get the 2 marks also. And for the your understanding purpose, here we have explained or here we have discussed that mechanism part also. Thank you all of you.